Installation. To install the program, follow the instructions in readme.txt file. Language configuration. There is a file named languageconfig.ini. Edit the file according to the instructions to start the program in preferred language. Starting the program. Run zRMicroArray executable. The program will find all the processors and cores and use it for parallel processing, speeding up the analysis. Walk screen. The walk screen keeps an eye on what you've done since you started the program, informs you what the program is doing behind the screen, and also suggests you proper actions. Project. The project is the work area for your experiment. You should create a project for all your experiments. It's a kind of container for your data and analysis. Data manipulations, grouping and analysis done are automatically saved on the fly to your project. Data. When you create a project, it's blank. First you should import data to it. zRMicroArray native format is CodeLink, but the import wizard could import any flat TXT or CSV file. Each microarray could be in different file, or all the microarrays could be different columns in a single file. Once the data from the experiment is imported, you could see data distributions and some statistics. You can delete a microarray by clicking on Delete. Grouping. First we will add some factors and their values. Factor treatment with value LM and saline, and factor oil with values fish oil and corn oil. Now we'll save this configuration of factors and their values, which will generate groups for grouping microarrays from the experiment. Now we can group our data. Initial analysis. Once the data is grouped, we could start the initial analysis. This will calculate some statistics and graphics, and that it will test all the genes in all the groups for normal distribution and generate values we could use for missing data replacement. Filters and transformations. In this screen you choose which genes to be statistically analyzed and how the data will be transformed. You could create as many filters and transformations as you want. All of them will be available for statistical analysis. You could export the normalized data and see the overall and by genes data distribution. Statistical analysis. Statistical analysis will analyze which genes were differentially expressed on which factor or factor combination. You can analyze differently filtered and transformed data. You can find mutual or aggregate differentially expressed genes between differently filtered and transformed data. You can export the results based on specified factors combination, or export all the results. You could export the fault change and you could see the results agreement table.